guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. If you are watching this video, your bigleaf hydrangeas is in very bad shape, just like mine. Harsh winters with really low temperatures can really damage hydrangeas and seriously affect their blooms. Last winter we had a couple of nights with temps way below zero, and it took a toll on quite a few plants in our gardens. I really feel your pain, and I will show you how I deal with severely damaged bigleaf hydrangeas. Luckily, all hydrangeas sprouted from the roots, but none of the canes have any live growing buds or green leaves. I patiently waited all the way till the end of May, hoping to see some growth on old canes. And now it's time to cut them down and let the new sprouting cane grow. You can see that many canes lose their bark and you can easily snap them. Unfortunately, many varieties of bigleaf hydrangeas bloom on old wood, meaning they create their flower buds for the flowering year shortly after they finish blooming and won't bloom after winter kill. Great way to mitigate such risk to plant varieties that bloom both on old and new wood to have some flowers each year. And now let's clean up these bushes. As always, it's a good practice to sterilize your tool, and we'll just go inside and carefully cut the old canes. Cleanup of bigleaf hydrangea after winter kill is all done, and it's looking beautiful. And hopefully for those of you who has varieties that bloom on new wood, you can still enjoy some blooms this year as well. Happy gardening!